Was it a resignation or a termination? Most experienced professionals lie here. Here is why honesty done right wins the offer every single time. Your LinkedIn shows you left your job in August. Was it a resignation or a termination?
It was a mutual separation. We both agreed it was the right decision at that time. It was a company restructuring situation. I was already looking for a better opportunities. It was a mutual understanding between both the parties.
The internet has made corporate India a very small village. They will find out. They will always find out. Resignation or termination?
It was a termination. I was let go 6 months back as part of a performance based exit. I was leading a product launch that shipped by 4 months. 2 of those months were within my control. I made a judgment call to rebuild our API layer mid sprint, and I made that call without sufficient stakeholder buy in. The launch eventually shipped, and the API rebuild was the right technical decision. But the process cost me the role. I have had 8 months since then working with a mentor specifically on how I handle major technical pivot, the stakeholder communication piece. I am a different leader on that dimension today. I can show you specifically how.
Being fired is not what kills your interview. Being caught lying about it is. Honesty with accountability is not a weakness. It is the rarest thing in any interview room. Follow me for career growth.